Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chef Carol, NYC. Today, I'm going to demo Keto Grits. Yes, that is what I said, Keto Grits. If you're not already subscribed, I'd love to have you as part of my family, so please hit the subscribe button below. In order to make these keto grits, I use 12 ounces of cauliflower florets. Now generally, any cooking I do, I use organic vegetables. Also, I'm going to use 2 ounces of cream cheese, and I will be using 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Added to that is going to be 3/4 cup of organic chicken broth, a half a teaspoon of pepper, a half a teaspoon of salt. How do we make our florets into rice, you say? Well, if you don't have a food processor, you can certainly use a box cutter. Nice old-fashioned box cutter available almost anywhere in any size. For me, I prefer to use this food processor because it's efficient, it's quick, and it's painless. I don't have to worry about scraping my fingers on the blades of the box cutter. This food processor is 72 ounces or 9 cups. Once I open the florets, I will break them into smaller pieces. Plus, they won't get stuck on these very sharp blades. Once you add the florets and the water, you will pulse this 2 or 3 times, but you want it to pulse to about the size of a small grain rice. Once that's done, then we will drain out the water. We will add it to our cooking pot. Keto cauliflower grits. Place 12 ounces of cauliflower florets into a food processor and fill the container with water. You may have to break up some of the florets in order to avoid having larger pieces stick to the blades. Pulse a few times until the cauliflower resembles rice grains. Drain the water and cauliflower through a sieve. Add the drained cauliflower into a pot. Add 3/4 cup of organic chicken stock. After that, you'll boil the cauliflower over medium heat until it's soft. Then you'll drain the liquid through the sieve and return the cauliflower back to the pot. Next, you'll add in the cream cheese and butter and the rest of the ingredients. Now you will stir until all of the ingredients are completely combined with the cauliflower. What you'll have is a dish that is creamy with the subtle graininess of grits. It can be served as breakfast or as a side dish instead of mashed potatoes.